Hello everyone, welcome to miniOrange. In today's video, we will configure the Jira OAuth OIDC SSO plugin by integrating Okta as the OAuth OpenID provider. First, navigate to the miniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO app in Jira, and click on Configure. Click on Add New App, and choose Okta as the provider. So firstly, we are configuring Okta as an OpenID provider. Enter your Okta credentials and click OK. Once logged in, you'll land on the Okta Admin Console. From here, go to Applications and click on Create App Integration. In the pop-up window, select OIDC OpenID Connect as the sign-in method, and choose Web Application as the application type. Click Next. On the Web App Integration page, enter the application name of your choice. Now, under Sign in Redirect URI, click on Add URI. Switch back to the miniOrange OAuth OIDC SSO app in Jira. Under the OAuth OIDC Configuration section, copy the callback URL and paste it into the Sign in Redirect URI field in Okta. Scroll down and select Skip Group Assignment for now, then click Save. Next, go to the Assignments tab in Okta. Click on Assign, then select Assign to People. Add the users you want to allow SSO access to Jira by clicking Assign. Fill in the required details, and then click Save and go back. Once done, click Done. Your users are now successfully assigned. Now, switch back to the miniOrange OAuth app in Jira. Under Application Details, enter a custom app name of your choice. Next, head back to Okta. In the General Settings section of your application, copy the Client ID and paste it into the corresponding field in Jira. Similarly, copy the client secret from Okta and paste it into the required field. Enter the scope as email, profile and OpenID. For the domain URL, go to your Okta Admin Console, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Copy the Okta domain URL and paste it into the domain URL field in Jira. Enter the full Okta domain URL to ensure proper communication between your app and Okta. Once all the fields are filled, save the configuration. If everything has been set up correctly, the status will show Configuration Successful. Click Test Configuration to verify that your OAuth setup is working correctly. You can see Successful Test Configuration here. Now, when users log into Jira, they will see the option to log in using OAuth Login. Upon clicking it, they will be redirected to Okta, where they can enter their username and password and click on the Verify button. After successful authentication, users will be redirected back to Jira. They can then go to their profile section to confirm that their user details have been successfully fetched from Okta. That's it. You've successfully configured the Jira OAuth OIDC SSO plugin using Okta as the OAuth OpenID Connect provider. Thank you for watching.